Good evening to all. Today's 44th medical term that we'll be discussing is known as nyctalopia. It is nyctalopia. It refers to night blindness. All right. So let's just quickly look at the pathophysiology, the causes, and a brief description on each. So this is, as the name suggests, it's night blindness. That means inability or there is a poor vision during nighttime or during in dim light. But it's not a disease, rather, it's a symptom that can occur due to other underlying diseases that affects your vision or affects the eyes. So what is the main reason? Because usually for dim light, now we all aware that in the retina of our eyes we have two types of photoreceptor cells, the cones and the rods, right? The rods are responsible for the dim light. So these rod type of photoreceptor cells are unable to function or they are dysfunctional. So there are different types of night blindness. That is, one is they find it difficult in low light, as we said before, dim light, especially in movie theaters. Like that sort of an environment, that venue would create a strain on the eye. Or there's a slow adaptations, like as in we're all aware when we try to observe something, from different lightings or different environment, there's an accommodation that happens. The lens and the muscles, they try to move, adjust, but this adjustment is very prolonged. It takes a long time to get adjusted, when we try to visualize something in different environment. Or impaired navigation, difficult to drive at night, but the normal daytime vision is unimpaired. That's perfect. So it only affects only during the nighttime. So what are the causes? One is it can be a vitamin A deficiency, because vitamin A, that is helpful to form the rhodopsin, which is in the rod cells, right? Then cataracts, because of the clouding of the eyes, the natural eye lens, light is unable to move through. Myopia, that is make distant object appear very blurry. So it's like only the near objects can be observed. Or even glaucoma, that is damage to the optic nerve, due to medications. Or if people are suffering from this retinitis pigmentosa, which is a genetic condition, a gradual damage to the rods. Or it can be like from birth, a congenital stationary night blindness. That is, it's genetic, but it's not progressive as a retinitis. Rod cells do not function at all.